This demo covers the use of the Resident Web Portal. The Visitor Management Program offers residents a tool to manage their visitors, contractors, phone numbers, family members, and pets. In order to use the system, your system administrator or community association has provided you with a website, your user ID, and login. These credentials are necessary to manage your information. Upon login, you will be presented with the Resident Dashboard. The dashboard provides quick access to commonly used functions such as scheduling visitors, posting a notice for security personnel, and viewing your current visitor list. There are other tools available such as managing your personal profile that we will explain in a moment. Throughout the program, you will see these fields. The blank field with the arrow allows you to narrow a search. The plus sign allows you to add information to this specific table. The red allows you to delete the information next to the X, and the pencil allows you to edit that specific information. Let's look at scheduling a visitor. Click on Schedule New Visitors. This opens the Visitor Scheduling pop-up window. You may select from your existing visitors who've been to see you once before or who you've already added to the system, or you may type in the name of a new expected visitor. If the visitor happens to be a contractor, type the company name here. If you only know the company name, type it in the last name field. You must also select the visitor type. If it's a contractor, select contractor. If it's one time, select one time. You may also enter any comments, such as call upon arrival. It's also necessary to select the destination. By default, your home address will be chosen. You can select an alternate destination if you choose, and directions will be printed on your visitor's pass to the alternate destination. Enter your scheduled date and time of arrival. By default, the system will round up to the next 30 minutes for arrival, and select your expiration date. Click Add to List, and you'll see the visitor's name move to the right-hand column. If you had more visitors to add, you can do so at this time by following the same steps that you followed for the previous visitor. Keep in your mind, your community may have certain rules with regard to the maximum length of time that a visitor can receive a pass for. This module covers management of information related to you, your family members, phone numbers, and other information. This information is located under the My Profile tab. Information that has not been grayed out is available for you to change and manage. This includes updating your password, email, and other personal information that you want system administrators and security personnel to have access to. Note that you can even upload your own photo. This helps security personnel learn who the residents are in the community. Information about your address must be updated by the system administrator, who may be your community association manager. If you want to appear in the online community lookup under the Community tab, be sure to change your settings here. You can manage and maintain your visitors through the Quick Tasks or the Visitors tab. The red X next to each visitor allows you to delete a visitor, and the pencil allows you to edit visitors. If you have a long visitor list, you can search by the visitors by entering their name in the search field. Click the arrow to narrow the search. If you want to add a visitor, click the plus sign. Editing a visitor will allow you to deny access to a specific visitor. Note that if you deny access to a visitor, you may want to make some comments as to the reason you are denying access. Also be aware that other residents in the community may have allowed this specific visitor to have entry into the system. The Phone tab allows you to add phone numbers to your profile. Before adding phone numbers, be sure to input all of your family members. Phone numbers can then be assigned to your family members. Most communities do not permit residents to manage their own automobile information. This tab is to allow you to see what automobiles the community has on file for you. Generally, you will be allowed to upload your own auto photo. If any of this information is not up to date, notify your administrator. Automobiles are often associated with community access devices and are therefore closely controlled. Let's take a look at the Notices tab. This tab may have a different name depending on your community preferences. The Notices section allows you to post information to your account that security personnel can see if they happen to look up your name. Notices usually include vacation and away notices. It may be used to alert security personnel to a special need, should a visitor arrive to see you. To create a new notice, click the plus sign on the toolbar. Enter a short description such as vacation, and then enter a longer notice or long description should you want security personnel to have additional instructions. Note, you can determine whether or not this information is just informative for the security personnel or if it's urgent, and you can enter the expiration date as well as the effective date. It will not be necessary to notify anyone of the expiration date, as this notice will automatically delete itself. If you own or manage other properties in the community, your system administrator will link those properties to your profile. They will appear here. The Community tab is used to provide an online directory of vendors in the community and residents who have made their information searchable.